Hi everyone, it's Katie Alyce. I'm really excited to share with you today my new choreography to Wahashtini. It's a really cool little traveling step combination and I think you're really going to enjoy it. So don't forget that once you've learned the whole dance, you can dance along with me with my new dance video. So it's the first combination that I do as I'm dancing. So as soon as you see me dancing, that's the combination that we're going to be doing. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and let me know if there are any other videos you want to see, and yeah, write them in the comments below and I'd really like to see them. Okay, so for this traveling step combination from Wahashtini, we're going to start by pointing our toe out to the right and we're going to squeeze in at our waist. So we're pulling in, just like when we do a hip snap, we're squeezing in from our waist and we're going to slightly lean out to the left. Our arms are prepared out to the side and we're just going to look slightly over our shoulder. So we're going to go look, and then we fall down on the 1. So we're prepared from the 7, 7, 8. So nice straight line here, toe pointed, squeezing in, looking out to the left, arms nicely out to the side, shoulders roll back, chest down, sorry, chest open, shoulders down, and looking out. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Good. We step across for 2 on our left, 2. And then we step round, so that, sorry, there's not much space. So we've gone 1, step round for 2 with the left, step again for the 3 on our right, and we're gonna twist for 4. So let me show you those steps without actually making a circle. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, and we do a bump and a twist. So the hip is going forward, back, forward, back. So this is just a preparation for us to do a turn. So forward, back, then we're going to turn on the step onto the left leg, bring your right leg together and turn over the left shoulder. So I'm going to step forward and just give the example. Might get my feet cut off here, there's limited space. So we squeeze in from our right and we're going to go 1, left cuts across for 2, 3 we step out with our right, 4 we bump with our left, 5, 6 we turn. We step across, we step with our left again, left, and then we're going to squeeze up on our right. So we step across the left, and we're doing the same thing that we did at the beginning. So we step left on our left, and we squeezed in from our right, but we will be facing the back. So we'll be stepping left, squeeze in from the right, and then we step down for 1. So one more time, just like, let's go through that with the steps. So we step right, left, right bump, left, turn, 5, 6, 7, step with the left, squeeze with the 8, and we fall down for 1, and we do that exact same process again. So we step down for 1, we go 2, step out for 3, bump 4 on the left, 5, 6, we turn over the left shoulder, step left, and we pose on the right, well, foot pointed again to finish that. So let's go through that one more time just to make sure. 5, 6, 7, 8. So squeezing up. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. Good. From here, we're going to lift up with our arms, squeeze, and our leg is going to come across. So our arms lifting, leg is coming up, prepared to turn. So we've gone 1, and we turn 2. So that is our right leg crossing over. So squeeze up, lift. If you want, you can come up onto releve as well, but we can just keep it down here for now. So we take up the right leg, turn, looking over the left shoulder. We're going 1, 2, and then we're going to shimmy, so lifting up onto our toes. So we're going to go down into a heel bounce, and then shimmy, so for 3, 4. Good, and again. So we just landed here, landed here, and we're going to go 1, round 2, shimmy 3, 4. Good, and with the arms, I'm just bringing my arm up to my head, but I play around with the arms so I don't have an exact set idea of what I'm doing with the arms, if that makes sense. I'm kind of being free, I kind of know exactly where my arms are going to be, but I play with them in between. So with the beginning combination, they're just kind of out to the side, and then when I squeeze the hip in, I bring the hand to my head. Good, so play around with the arms, you can try out different things and see which ones work better for you. So we've gone round, so we've ended up with our shimmy, shimmy, so 3, 4. We're now going to chassé back, so we're going to step onto our right leg, we're going to go 1 and 2, good, so and again, so we step right, left, right, we're going to turn over the right shoulder now to finish on, and we're going to go left, right, left. Good, one more time, so we've got right, right, and turn, left, right, left. Good, so we have the count 3 and 4, or the shimmy, 3, 4, we step back on the right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. So all together that section, oh sorry, for the chassé as well, I'm going to come back on your toes, dun, dun, dun. Sorry, there's again, not much space. So up on the toes, and I want you to just be reaching out, because the song is I Miss You, which is Wahashtini. We want to bring our arm, I'm bringing my arms out in kind of a longing, like I miss you kind of way. So they're like 1, 2, and I'm turning, and I'm reaching my arm again, 3 and 4. Good, I'm going to get some more space, you might not see my legs, but I'm just going to show you with the arms. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. So that whole little bit again goes, we're going, starting from our leg pointed out to the side, we're going to lift, 1, 2, 1, turn 2, so arms come down, we're going to go 3, 4, I prepare by leaning forward onto my left, I go 5 and 6, 7, 8. So next I'm going to turn over my right shoulder, I'm going to step 1 on the right, so 1, 2 with the left. With the arms, I'm just going to bring my arms up. I'm going 1, 2. Good. I'm then going to open my arms when I go to 3, 4. So just with the steps, I'm going to go right, left, step on the right, lean on the right, lean on the left. So I'm doing a little, I'll show you from the front. I'm going 1, 2. So I'm doing a little weight change here. So I'm going right, left. Good. Then I'm going to step back onto the right and bump with the left. Only a tiny little bump. Good. So I stepped, right, left, open my arms on the right, lean back with my weight, lean forward, lean back, and I'm going to twist my hip. So we've just finished off from our chassé coming back. So we've ended up on our left leg, so we're going to step with the right. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, prepared, and then we're going to do a double shimmy, 7, 8 to finish. Good. So just remember with your shimmies, you try and pull in from your rib cage, try and keep the core nice and tight, try and squeeze your legs together. And we're just going to do 2, going straight forward to the front. So let's go from the weight change. So the weight change is 3, 4. We step, lean 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So hopefully you have a little bit more room to practice or a slightly nicer floor for turning. But let's go over that a little bit one more time. So we're going to go from the step behind. We're going to go stepping right, right, left, weight change, right, left, step, right. Sorry, there's not much room for my arms here. Bump left, and we're going to bring our arms into the center and do double shimmy. 7, 8. Good. Okay, let's take that all the way from the beginning. So we're going to start, sorry, you might not be able to see my feet to start with, but just try and remember the steps. So arms out to the side, looking over the left, and we're going to go 7, 8. Actually, sorry, you can look left or right, whichever way you decide looks better for you. So pulling in from the right, we're going to go 7, 8. We step 1, 2, 3, bump, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, shimmy 3, 4, chassé 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. We step right, 2, weight change 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, amazing. Okay, let's try that just one more time. So don't forget you can dance along with this to the music, and it's right at the beginning of my Wahashtini choreography. So it's as soon as I actually start moving, this is when it will kick in. So we'll run it through one more time, the whole way through the choreography. I'll count you in, just remember to squeeze in your thigh on 8. So we'll go in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, shimmy 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We step right, left, 3, 4, 5. Weight change 7, 8. Amazing, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. I will link in the description below the dance video for Wahashtini, so you can dance along with me at home. And I would love to see if you have any videos that you want to share with me of you performing this. That would be amazing to see. And yeah, comment below if there are any other videos you would really like to see. It's always really good for me to know what kind of videos people want put out. And also, yeah, like, subscribe, share it with your friends if you think they want to learn Wahashtini as well. And until next time, I will see you then. Bye for now. Hi everyone, it's Will. And we're going to be doing it, oh hello chips. Oh my god. What are you doing? He's trying to get onto YouTube, aren't you? This week is all about dancing to a trying to sabotage me.